means they live things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell, but we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on?
Okay, so that finger stays on the plastic handle all the time. Okay, that's rule number one. So when we're carving, we work sideways on. Our knife hand, our stump and our stick is by the side of the leg of the hand that holds the knife. Okay? That's it. So
Well, stay on that straight bit, Cole.
Straight bit. I haven't got one to show you, so it makes it a bit trickier.
And then once I got it to a desired width, we have to do some back slope time. Always can't beat the good there. And what we're after doing, if we hit it in the middle, just swinging through like that. Just make sure you ain't got gloves on for that one, because you will throw the axe behind you and really, really upset somebody, okay? So, you asked why wooden handles and all the rest. Glass fibre handles are dangerous, and because the axe heads are better made on these.
Bushcraft Show 2022. This is the main arena area. All the shops are over to that side. And then over in that area you've got the overland section, the wildwood camping.
My brother, who regularly comes on these things, hey bro, do you want to come on a holiday? Alright. And then, you know, turns out it rains a lot or it's quite cold. Or... What he discovered is if you're using a packer raft, they give you a little inflatable seat to sit on, and that's a really good idea if you're going to sit in freezing cold water. Or you get chilblains in your bum and your big brother laughs at you. So when we were there, they said, oh, well, you only come here.
Means they live things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell, but we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on? Down the bottom in the hole, there's no sane ways, there's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In these times, just please be patient. Be my shore, you be my home. Drag us out and build us up again. Put things right and let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say what you say. Please just talk to me if things